What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Rocket League to your Steam's library. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can just simply type in store.steampower.com. In both the cases, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Steam. So after coming to the dashboard here on the right side, you will see the option of login. Simply click on login, and if you are new to Steam, just sign up with your email password and create your new Steam account. And if you already have a Steam account, click on login and then you will be automatically logged into the Steam's website. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option to install Steam. Click on that install Steam button and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is how the dashboard will look like. And now from here on the right side, you can see the search bar. Click it here once and then type Rocket League. And here you can see the Rocket League game. Click on it once and then from here, simply click on Add to Cart button, which is in the green color. And when you add it to cart, you will see this pop-up wherein you will see the option to view my cart. Click on this and then the game will be added to your cart, and from there you can click on continue to payment to pay for this Rocket League game and to add it to your Steam's library. So this is how you can add Rocket League to your Steam's library and play. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.